going on, guys? This is David. Welcome back to the channel. As always, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate you guys checking me out. Um, so, been on a little break for a while. Just had to take a little time, to kind of reprogram and just get myself back in order. But we back now. For those that don't know, my mom passed away earlier this month, and we just buried her a couple of weeks ago. So, that's just been kind of taking a toll on me. But, day by day, things are getting better, and, we're getting back in the mix. So, appreciate you guys for being patient with me. And, but yeah, we back. We back now. So before I took a break, we had a little series going on with my ETF portfolio that I just started back in April, and we were tracking it every week, and just kind of seeing the progress of building this ETF portfolio from scratch. So we're gonna start that back up, and I just want to give you guys an update on how that's going. But before I do that, let's just take a sneak peek on how the markets have been doing, because we were rolling on the ETF portfolio for a while, but we've seen some pullback in the market the last couple of weeks, and that has an effect. So, but we're long-term investors, so we expect pullbacks to come every now and then. So it's not really a surprise when that happens. So let's take a look and see what's going on here. So bear with me 1 second. All right. So we see the Dow on Friday was up 1%. Actually had a big day, up 654 points on the day. And over the past week, the Dow's actually up 0.73%, 295 points. And over the last month, the Dow is still up 3%. So even with a lot of the activity that's going on in the market, the Dow is still on the rise, even over the last week and even on Friday. So, and year to date, the Dow is still up 7%. Let's take a look at the S&P. S&P was up 59 points on Friday, 1%. Over the last week, you see the S&P was down 1.55%. And over the last month, down slightly, right? 1 point. So, and year to date, the S&P is still up 15%, 716 points. So still pushing strong with the S&P, even with the slight pullback. And with the NASDAQ, Friday up 1%, 176 points. Over the last week, NASDAQ did take a little hit, down 3%, 607 points. Over the last month, down 2%. But year to date, I know the NASDAQ is still pushing strong, up 17%. So if you invested only in the NASDAQ, you're still seeing great gains for the month. We're still only halfway through the year. So still not a bad showing for the market, even with these pullbacks, that's happened over the last week or two. So like I said, that's part of the game. That's what's going to happen. You got to be prepared for things like that. So, but let's jump right into it. It's not going to be a long video. Just want to give you guys an update on the ETF portfolio. So let's take a quick look, see how things are going. And let's see here. And here we go. So our ETF portfolio update, XLK, we have 0.215 shares, last price $216.28. Our current value is $46.50. We are up 9%, 9.12%. So the average cost base is $198.19. So if you looked at some previous videos on this ETF portfolio update, you'll see that that definitely has taken a hit over the last couple of weeks. So to be expected. Well, we're still up 9% on our XLK position. Remember, we just started this portfolio back in April. XOXX, we have 0.217 shares, $229.37 the last price. Our current value is $49.77. We are up 6.76% with an average cost basis of $214.84. D Grove, we have 0.714 shares, Last price was $59.93. We have a current value of $42.79. We are up 6.49%. Average cost basis of $56.27. VYM, we have 0.343 shares. Last price is $123.52. Current value is $42.36. We are up 5.23% with an average cost basis of $117.38. VUG, we have 0.088 shares. Last price $361.72. Current value is $31.83. We are up 3.58% with an average cost basis of $349.20. SPYI, we have 1.66 shares. Last price is $49.78. Current value $82.63. We are up 0.94%. Average cost basis $49.31. BITO. So with this is a Bitcoin ETF. We've actually seen some progress with this ETF. The problem is Bitcoin's been going up lately, but the everything else in the market is taking a hit. So, but anyway, BTO, we have 1.238 shares. Last price is $23.76. Current value $29.41. We are down 1.50%. Average price is $24.12. SPYG, we have 0.37 shares. Last price is $77.83. Current value is $28.79. We are down 3.47%. We have an average cost basis of $80.62. So remember, we started this portfolio back in April. So our current value is $363.20. $363.20 because we do have $9 in pending cash because we do have our weekly challenge going on that we started 9 weeks ago, right? So whatever week it is, that's the amount that gets deposited into the account. So we have $363.20, and so we are up still 3.55%, but that has come down. When I previously did a video, I was trying to do it week to week, but we've taken off a few weeks. But so our previous video, we were at 5.13%, and we've gotten as high as 8%. But due to the downturn lately, we are down to 3.55%, which is still positive, but we're just down from what we previously had. But we're going to keep adding to the position. I think I forgot to do a $10 purchase I was rotating bi-weekly between SPYI and SPYG. So I think SPYG may be up for that. So I have to do that purchase on tomorrow. And I also have $9 in pending cash, which I will probably, what do you guys think I should purchase tomorrow? Should it be BITO? I'm not sure. XLK semiconductors, they're down. SOXS. Well, XLK is it's like the Nasdaq, right? With the tech, and SOXX is the semiconductor. So they're both down from previous. So I wonder, should we make that $9 investment into one of those particular positions? So I'll think about it. I'll sleep on it, and make that decision on tomorrow. Then we'll probably do another $10 into SPYI or SPYG. It's probably going to be SPYG. Remember, in this account, we do get monthly dividends from SPYI and BITO. Of course, they're small right now, but hey, I like the thrill and the excitement of building up dividends from scratch. So they're monthly paying dividends that we're going to just see grow over time as we see this portfolio grow. So, but yeah, that's it, man. That's the portfolio update for the week. Like I said, I'm not going to hold you guys long, and I'm just getting back into the swing of things myself. But you kind of see where we sitting at for our portfolio update. I think we're doing pretty well. You're going to see this portfolio grow and grow and grow And I'm just anxious to see where we end up by the end of the year, much less 2, 3, 4 years from now. I think this portfolio has a lot of potential, and we want to see it play out right here on YouTube. So, but yeah, that's it, man. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I appreciate you guys. Your patience while I've been on a little break for a little while, but I'm trying to ease my way back in. So just work with me a little bit. But yeah, that's it, man. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it, guys, and I will talk to you later.